Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Halima Aulia. I'm studied in Darul Ulum Islamic Center University, Major Management. NIM 22510046. How to be a successful entrepreneur. In general, people recording figure of Khairul Tanjung are more familiarly called Siti after he has been a successful entrepreneur. In fact, the success that he has achieved today is an accumulation of past that is the process by his life journey from childhood until today, which has filled with challenge and dynamic. The story of Khairul Tanjung becomes one of Indonesia's most prominent and well-respected businessmen is both enduring and inspiring. Khairul Tanjung's ability to success in today's Indonesia besides on little more than hard work, loyalty, and a keen eye for business opportunity will give her to be up and coming generation of Indonesian entrepreneurs. Love of city for Indonesia is always released in the hard work and real work, which can also be enjoyed by society at large. Because of the effort, hard work, and persistence, City successfully creates so many new businesses which are beneficial himself, him family, and a lot of people. Moreover, he has created the employment opportunities for more than 75,000 employees and can raise the name of Indonesia in the international. The story of the journey of life Si Anak Singkong can inspire the people of Indonesia, especially the younger generation. From Khairul Tanjung's The Ways of Business, we will get some tips on how to become a successful entrepreneur. According to City, entrepreneur can be born and not learned or inherited. There are some tips which influence the business successfully as follows. Number 1. Start business by hard working, willingness, and integrity. And effort should be indeed developed and obtained through the hard working completely, energy, and power by ambition. Success can't be achieved in an instant. It needs perseverance and integrity. In business, entrepreneurs apply the concept of the philosophy from known to be the great man. The concept became real because of the perseverance and hard working. Number 2. Trust is as a major capability. Number 2. Trust is as a major capital. The figure of City is a king Midas in Greek mythology. Everything that he touched by his hands turned to be gold. The wisdom of this story is not about the confusion or complaint of the king Midas because the food then was eaten turned into gold, but about the magic of Midas, who could change everything into gold. In business, trust is the major capital. The existence of belief, morals, and ideals are the important components in conducting business. Number 3. Be optimist. In the business is require a rational optimist and growing the optimist spirit born from the way of looking at the better future. Rational optimism is carried through a directional process based on the comprehensive study, in-depth and scientifically responsibility. According to the Vision of Indonesia 2030, Indonesia in 2030 will be the five major powers of the world. Per capita income of about US 80,000 in the list of world's top 10 tourist destinations, and the achievement of self-sufficiency in meeting domestic energy and the inclusion of at least 30 companies into the Fortune Indonesia 500 companies of world. The future of the world is Asia. 50% of the world economy will be controlled by Asia, as the essential case that are Chinese and India. Everything is created through the synergy of component businessmen, bureaucracy, and academics. To achieve it will be required three conditions, namely strong national leadership and conducive business climate and a comprehensive energy policy. Number 4. Extra caution. Be careful in taking the decision. Every decision will affect for the next business. The business must be managed carefully and responsibly. Accuracy is essential in making the decision. Number 5. Speculate in taking the risks. Every action has the risk, and it is the same in business. To start the business, the entrepreneur has to speculate in taking the risk. Risk is the possibility of loss which is unpredictable and unexpected. As a good entrepreneur is able to predict what will happen after taking the decision, count the impact of the risk is every decision. Number 6. Recruit the qualified human resource. To establish a strong foundation in the business in order to weather the various threats. One of the tips is to recruit the best human resources which are fully qualified in the field. Nowadays, it's easy high integrity or honesty has is why it should be used as a parameter in recruitment of human resources. Number 7. Create the new breakout and the innovation. Number 7. Create the new breakout and innovation. A good entrepreneur will try to realize two opportunities that arise. The opportunity is not only sought, but also create the opportunity and then is the insight. A good entrepreneur has a keen eye for business opportunity. Innovation is necessary in order to always be able to fulfill and satisfy the needs of consumers. Number 8. Share with others. Create a program for sharing with others. God has promised in Quran then will multiply the reward of people who give the charity. The parable of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed which grows 7 years in every year become 100 grains. Allah multiplies the reward for whom He wills. Quran Surat Al-Baqarah 261. Quran Surat Al-Baqarah ayat 261. Indonesia needs a lot of entrepreneurs who are nationalists, populist nationals, because of the humanity that is so no more man-made poverty. Thank you.